Hey guys, welcome back to PS Trick Shots. This is the patio flip.
Oh, bucket! Let's step it up a notch. How about 2 in a row? There's 1. There's 2. Let's go. Boom. This is the slippery chair flip. Boom. Let's go. Consecutive flip time. And see how many I can possibly get in a row. 1. 1. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Boom. 6 is the beat. Boom. Here's the double flipper. Boom. First try, double flip. This is the tail flip. This one's sponsored by Sometimes your drinks just not cool enough. How about flipping around the AC? Boom, baby. I'm literally beast. As soon as I turn the camera on, I can't make nothing. This is it right here. Nope. Let's see if I can get this one. Yep. Nope. Yep. Nope. Yep. 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 5 in a row again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's go.